Hello everyone and welcome to a new video. Today we're venturing on a thrilling journey into the wild, unearthing some of the most venomous creatures that roam our planet. From the depths of the oceans to the heart of the jungles, we're going to unveil the top 10 most poisonous animals. Hold on to your seats as we embark on this dangerous expedition, revealing nature's lethal arsenal. The countdown is about to start, so brace yourselves. If you're ready, let's begin. In 10th place, we have the poison dart frog, a small amphibian that lives in certain areas of Central and South America. Don't be fooled by their vibrant and appealing colors. These tiny creatures carry a deadly secret. The poison dart frog has derived its name from the indigenous tribes that used its toxic secretions to poison the tips of their blowguns. These frogs are the size of your thumbnail but pack a lethal punch. Their skin is laced with a powerful neurotoxin called batrachotoxin. This substance is so potent that a single frog carries enough of it to kill 10 grown men. It's their primary defense mechanism against predators. The toxin works by blocking nerve signals to the muscles, causing paralysis and heart failure. It's interesting to note that while in captivity and away from their natural diet, these frogs don't produce the poison, making them safe to handle. Their skin contains a toxic substance that can cause severe harm if ingested or touched. In 9th place, we have the pufferfish, known for its ability to inflate like a balloon. When threatened, this unique creature can expand its body to several times its normal size. Its name pufferfish is derived from this distinctive defensive mechanism. But there's more to this fish than its inflatable prowess. The pufferfish is not just an ordinary sea dweller. It's one of the most poisonous creatures on the planet. It's a paradox of nature, being both a sought-after delicacy in some parts of the world and a harbinger of death. The pufferfish's skin, eyes, and internal organs contain a potent neurotoxin known as tetrodotoxin. This substance is up to 1,200 times more toxic than cyanide. Ingesting even a small amount can lead to paralysis, and without immediate medical intervention, it can result in death. Its internal organs, eyes, and skin contain a powerful neurotoxin called tetrodotoxin, which can cause paralysis and even death. In 8th place, we have the infamous black widow spider. This menacing arachnid is easily recognizable by the red hourglass marking on its abdomen, a distinctive warning sign that screams danger. Found predominantly in North America, the black widow is notorious for the potency of its venom, which is said to be 15 times stronger than that of a rattlesnake. The venom of the black widow is neurotoxic, meaning it directly affects the nervous system. Symptoms of a black widow bite can range from minor swelling to severe discomfort. The venom can cause muscle aches, nausea, and a paralysis of the diaphragm that can make breathing difficult. However, despite its deadly reputation, the black widow is not as villainous as it might seem. These spiders are not naturally aggressive and will only bite in self-defense, such as when they feel threatened or are accidentally disturbed. When bitten, the venom can cause severe abdominal pain, cramps, and even respiratory failure. In 7th place, we have the yellow-tailed scorpion, one of the most venomous scorpions on the planet. This small but mighty creature is native to North Africa and the Middle East, but has managed to establish itself in some warmer regions of Europe. The yellow-tailed scorpion is nocturnal, coming out at night to hunt its prey. It primarily feeds on insects, spiders, and other small creatures. Despite its small size, the yellow-tailed scorpion carries a potent weapon. Its venom, delivered through a stinger at the end of its tail, is highly toxic. It contains a cocktail of neurotoxins and enzyme inhibitors that can cause intense pain, fever, and in rare cases, severe reactions leading to heart or respiratory failure. So while it may not be the largest creature on our list, the yellow-tailed scorpion certainly packs a punch. This insect produces a highly toxic venom that can cause serious problems to the central nervous system and, in some cases, death. In 6th place, we have the sea anemone, a beautiful marine animal known for its vibrant colors. Sea anemones might remind you of underwater fireworks or peculiar plants, but don't be fooled. They are predatory animals that reside in the ocean's shallow depths. They latch onto rocks and coral, swaying with the ocean's ebb and flow. These creatures have a mouth at their center, surrounded by tentacles covered in tiny, stinging cells. When a fish or other prey drifts too close, the anemone fires a harpoon-like filament from these cells, injecting a potent neurotoxin paralyzing the prey. This toxin is so powerful that it can pose a danger to humans too. Interestingly, sea anemones have a symbiotic relationship with clownfish, which are immune to their sting. The clownfish gain protection from predators, while the sea anemone gets to feed on the scraps left by the clownfish. Despite its innocent appearance, if touched, it can release a powerful neurotoxin that causes paralysis and respiratory difficulties. In fifth place, we have the inland taipan snake, considered the most venomous snake in the world. Native to Australia, this snake is not one you'd want to stumble upon during your adventures. The inland taipan snake, also known as the fierce snake, is a master of camouflage, blending seamlessly with its arid surroundings. It possesses a lightning-fast strike and a venom so potent, it surpasses that of any other snake globally. The venom of the inland taipan is a deadly cocktail of neurotoxins, hemotoxins, and myotoxins. Once bitten, the venom swiftly attacks the victim's central nervous system, leading to severe convulsions. It also targets the blood, causing internal bleeding, and the muscles, inducing paralysis. Without immediate treatment and the administration of the correct antivenom, the bite of an inland taipan can be fatal. Its venom attacks the central nervous system, causing convulsions, internal bleeding, and in the absence of an antidote could lead to death within a few hours. In fourth place, we have the dreaded irukandji, a species of jellyfish with small dimensions but with an extremely potent venom. Don't be fooled by its size. This little creature, barely bigger than a cubic centimeter, packs an excruciating punch. It resides primarily in the waters of northern Australia. The venom of the irukandji is believed to be one of the most powerful in the world. Its sting is so potent that victims often experience a unique collection of symptoms known as irukandji syndrome. This includes severe pain throughout the body, nausea, vomiting, and an overwhelming sense of impending doom. Interestingly, unlike many other jellyfish, the irukandji has stingers not only on its tentacles but also on its bell. This means that it can deliver a painful sting in any direction. Even small amounts of this venom can cause excruciating pain, difficulty breathing, and increased blood pressure. In third place, we have the boomslang snake, a highly venomous snake found in Africa. The boomslang, whose name means tree snake in Dutch and Afrikaans, is a master of disguise. Its greenish-brown scales allow it to blend seamlessly into the trees, making it nearly invisible to both its prey and potential predators. But don't let its camouflage fool you. This snake possesses a venom that's as deadly as it is rare. Unlike most snakes, which inject venom through front-facing fangs, the boomslang delivers its deadly toxin through rear fangs when it bites. This venom is a potent hemotoxin, which means it affects the body's coagulation process, leading to uncontrolled bleeding. Victims of a boomslang bite may initially experience headache, nausea, and sleepiness. But as the venom progresses, it can lead to internal and external bleeding, even from the smallest of scratches. Without treatment, the venom can cause kidney failure and, in severe cases, death. Its bite is extremely painful and can quickly cause internal bleeding, kidney failure, and in some cases, death. In second place, we have the box jellyfish, a marine animal that can be found in Australian waters. This fascinating creature, known for its cube-shaped bell and long, trailing tentacles, is as beautiful as it is deadly. The box jellyfish's venom packs a lethal punch and is among the most potent in the world. Each of its tentacles is lined with thousands of specialized cells called cnidocytes that release microscopic venom-filled darts upon contact. This venom is so potent that it can cause cardiac arrest in its victims within minutes. Even a single tentacle has enough venom to cause severe pain, paralysis, and in severe cases, vital organ failure. Despite its reputation, the box jellyfish isn't inherently aggressive. Most stings occur when swimmers accidentally come into contact with it. Always remember, in the world of animals, beauty can often mask a deadly defense. Its venom is so powerful that it is considered one of the deadliest in the world. Even a single tentacle can paralyze the nervous system, leading to vital organ failure. And finally, we have reached the top spot, the most venomous snake in the world, the taipan snake. This formidable serpent hails from the rugged terrains of Australia, where it reigns as the most lethal on the continent, and indeed, the planet. The taipan snake is not just deadly but also incredibly swift and aggressive when threatened. It's known for its lightning-fast strikes delivering a venom so potent that a single bite can yield disastrous consequences. The venom of the taipan snake is a lethal cocktail of neurotoxins, myotoxins, and coagulants, attacking the nervous system and the blood simultaneously. The victim may experience symptoms such as paralysis, internal bleeding, and extreme pain. If left untreated, the venom can claim a life in as little as 45 minutes. This snake, native to Australia, has an incredibly potent venom enough to kill 100 adult men. A bite can lead to paralysis, internal bleeding, and death within 45 minutes. And that concludes our ranking of the top 10 most poisonous animals in the world. We've journeyed through the vibrant rainforests, trekked across the arid deserts, dived into the mysterious depths of the oceans, and even encountered some deadly creatures right in our backyards. All of this, underlining the awe-inspiring and sometimes fearsome diversity of life on our planet. Stay safe out there and remember, knowledge is the best defense against these venomous creatures.